So obviously guys, markets kind of crashed today. We're down about 1% on the S&P 500. We're down almost 2% on tech stocks. And whenever I see a big drawdown or a big green day for the markets like this, what I like to do is clean up my charts and see how the overall trend is looking. So that is what we're going to do together. So I'll remove all of my drawings, and then we start from the monthly, and then we start charting all the way down to the 4-hour time frame at least. So we'll do that super fast on the Qs. So we have our demand all the way here. Actually, what I like to do is just go to the, we'll go just to the daily time frame for now. Alrighty guys, so we did all of our charting, and then what I like to do is just go through everything and see how things are looking, how the markets are looking after this big day. So if we take a look, this is the Qs right here, and what I can see here is the Qs obviously had a strong red day, and we have this level here. So let me get my tool here so I can annotate on the screen for you guys. Alrighty, so this is the Qs. So we can see that we have this level right here at 516. So this is a nice demand area, and we started to break below this level. This is our 4-hour, so you can see that's a 4-hour demand level, just kind of right here. We started to break below it slightly, and now we can see that green candle there. And sometimes what happens with something like this is the resistance level now. So we came a little lower, now we go back up, pick up that liquidity. So this could be a continuation lower, so I need to keep an eye on that. This looks a little bit bearish to me. Now if we take a look at, this is the Nasdaq, so I'm gonna go to a little bit higher time frame, and we can see the chart on the Nasdaq is a little bit more clear. So this is the futures chart for the Qs. We can see we have this demand area right here at 21,100. This is a daily time frame right here, and I would probably say that this thing wants to come here so it can pick up that liquidity, and then that is where I would be looking for a hold. So right now I'm thinking we're looking a little bearish. Obviously we rejected this daily level, which I believe was all-time highs over there at 2,400, and right now we're kind of trending back down towards that $21,000 level. But this is the area that I would be looking to see if buyers can step right back up and make that triple bottom right there. So that is what I see for Nasdaq. And then this is ES, so this is the S&P 500 futures, and the charts look a little bit similar. So we have this demand zone down here. This is a 4-hour demand level at that 5870 kind of area. So this is our 4-hour demand level. We can see what happened today was this thing went higher, and we rejected that 4-hour time frame. So we rejected that 4-hour time frame, and we are trending lower. We would definitely find liquidity there. We would absolutely find liquidity here, where we have a 4-hour and a daily time frame stacked on top of each other. So if we see this, I definitely want to be looking at possible dip buy areas. But for now, this is our next level of a demand, and I probably would be staying away from the markets, at least the S&P 500, until I see us test that area and see what markets do, if we want to go higher or if we break below that area. And then finally, this is the S&P 500 itself. So this is a SPY, and we can see the charts look pretty similar as well. We have this 580 area. This is our demand zone on the 4-hour time frame. We can see we've already had a triple bottom right here. So boom, boom, boom. We've been trading in this range. So we've been trading just kind of in this range right here. Sellers have stepped up at these higher levels. So I would be looking to see if buyers can step up at this level and continue higher, and we can continue possibly that trading in this trend right here. So where I would probably look for buy opportunities is, like I said, at that 580 area, but I would be cautious if we start breaking below 575, 576, and then I would be looking at that 568 area, which is our next major area of demand. So this is the major area of demand. We have a daily and a 4-hour time frame stacked on top of each other. So now I know where to set my alerts. So I just go on here, I set my alerts right there, add an alert on SPY, and I would be looking at the markets once we start reaching these levels. So guys, that's how I want you guys to look at the markets. When you see a really big red day or a really big green day in the overall markets, look to see where you might see those dip buys, where those demand levels are on the higher time frame. So I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll see you guys in trading tomorrow. Peace.